Welcome to the Farm and Home Show. This is Kristin Hildabrand, and I'm going to be your host today. Visiting with us is Kim Buckman. She is a Warren County Extension Master Gardener. You all are gearing up for Master Gardeners, and yourself are gearing up for the Fairy Garden Tour. I know this is something that y'all look forward to, and you started last year. So can you just kind of give us a preview of what this particular event is about?
Yes, we are so excited. It's going to be happening on May 18th from 1 to 4. We are one of the gardens on the site. I believe there's 5 gardens plus Lost River Cave is where they end up, where they have cookies and refreshments and build their own fairy garden. We will be giving away here at our site a handcrafted fairy item. We will also be doing a host butterfly, host plant matchup, sort of like a scavenger hunt, fun for the kids. So they are going to get some education too, besides it just being about fairies and gnomes. And they're going to learn about the butterfly life cycle while they're here. And we'll have several master gardeners on site. So if there's any questions about host plants or nectar plants for butterflies, we will have plenty of help here to answer questions.
And this is just a great kickoff into summer. And, you know, fairy gardens, I feel like, are gaining in popularity. And not only do kids get to come out, but then the adults do as well.
Yes, everyone is welcome. I mean, we had 80-year-old kids last year, and I was glad to see that.
Yes.
And they had on their butterfly wings too. So we will be giving away butterfly wings here at the Waystation. They'll get something different at every site.
Now, I know that we're one of the locations as far as the site goes. And like you said, it starts at 1 o'clock and goes until
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. So you can really come and go as you please. Is that correct?
Yes. I know people with little kids, it's hard too. They might not make every garden site. They might pick 2 or 3 garden sites and then go on to the cave and do the activities. There'll be kids activities at every site. Every garden will have kids activities going on.
Yes. Well, I know that we were able to participate last year, my daughter and I, and she really enjoyed the activities, and it's a lot of fun. I know we did a scavenger hunt, but I know that at our location, you said that there'll be a matchup. Is that right?
Yes. We will native butterflies. They'll get a sheet and they'll match up the native butterfly to the host plant for that butterfly, because that helps them learn for the future, and that helps us get information out there about the host plant and the nectar plants for the butterflies.
Yes, and what a fun way to get people interested in butterfly gardening, and especially with the native plants that we have as a part of our Monarch Waystation. So, and you all have some nice little touches throughout the garden too that you add as a part of this event as well.
And we will be giving away native seed to help you start your own butterfly garden and attract your own butterflies.
Yes. Now, I know that a lot of people may be having a question about, like, how does this work? Do they buy tickets, or do they come? How does that work?
You can buy tickets at any garden site on the tour, so you can show up that Sunday at any garden site. Tickets are $5 for kids, $10 for adults. They will start selling them at Riley's Bakery and the Wild Bird Store. Now, keep in mind, they are closed on Sunday, and the tour is on Sunday. So if you think, oh, I've forgotten to get tickets, go to a garden site. You can still get them at the garden site and be 100% fine.
And all the proceeds from the ticket sales, they go back into a good cause.
They go back into Bowling Green. They go to the Bowling Green Garden Club. They go to scholarships for students at WKU, and they go into the city schools after-school garden programs.
Yeah.
So all the money stays right here in Bowling Green,
which
we love.
Yes, I absolutely love that. It sounds like it's going to be a great event, Kim. I know you all, as well as all the master gardeners here, have done a really good job prepping for this particular event. And so it's a great gardening program all the way around. So can you give us again the date, the time, and the location?
Yes, it's May the 18th from 1 to 4. And when you get your ticket, it will have all the sites listed on your ticket that you go to. We are here at 5162 Russellville Road behind the Extension office. Please come and see us. We're going to have a big, wonderful, magical event over here. I don't want to give it all away. I want to have some little secrets held back. But it's going to be a really good time. Even if you're a teenager, you're a big kid, come on and see us. You'll get some education too about butterflies and native plants, and you can register to take home a handcrafted fairy item.
Yeah, it sounds like a great time. Kim, thank you so much for being here. If you have any questions whatsoever about the Fairy Garden Tour, please reach out here at the Warren County Extension Office, and we hope to see you there.